Hello guys, so now it is 4th of January and I thought that I'm going to start vlogging again, and now I have had a little break. I really needed that, but the coming year my plan is to upload one vlog every week. So it's going to be a weekly vlog where you get to see my week and a week in my life. But as it is now, I have filmed 2 videos today and I have done my makeup. And tomorrow I have an appointment for my brows finally. Now it is, I think it is 6 weeks since I last did my brows, or 8. And I feel it is going to be very good to freshen them up because I feel that my brow lamination has gone out. So now it is more like my natural brows and they are a little bit harder to do my makeup on. So I think it is going to be very good. And next week I have my nail appointment, and I don't think it is bad at all because next week it is a month since I did my nails and I still think they look very good and I'm very happy with my nails. But next week I'm going to swap them, so I'm very excited for that. And today I'm wearing my Clinique lipstick. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So it has been a long time since I last picked up the camera and talked to you guys, but I have been feeling a little bit unwell lately. So now I'm hoping that I'm going to get better, and today it is Thursday and I have just worked a little bit and now I'm going to drop off some packages, and I'm also waiting for my boyfriend to arrive because he is going to come home. He traveled without me this time. So yeah. I have also just filmed a video with my goals for 2024, which is going to go live before this vlog. So if you haven't watched it, I will leave the link here. Other than that, I think we are going to have a very chill weekend. I have worked a lot lately, so I think we are just going to have a chill weekend. Hello guys, so today it is Saturday and I haven't talked to you guys that much and I haven't filmed anything. I know I have been really bad at vlogging, but I got something in the mail yesterday from Safira, so I thought that we were going to unbox it together. I have already unboxed it. I really wanted to show you guys what I got. So I got another pair of the drop earrings. I think they are called the Celine earrings. They are so beautiful. I have them in gold. And the other one, so here you can see how they look. I think they are very pretty and they are my favorite earrings. So I'm so happy that I got another pair in silver. I'm not usually a silver girl, but I think they are very cute, so I had to get them in silver as well. And now I'm going to film the video for tomorrow. It is what I have in my bag. As I told you many times before, I don't carry a lot in my bag, but it was a requested video, so I thought that I was going to do that. And yeah, that was the little check-in for now. Now I'm on my way to my doctor. Hello guys, so now it is Thursday and I have just been to a PR agency. So I thought that I could unbox something that I bought on Tuesday from Dior. So as you probably saw, I went to Dior Beauty and I got something from them. So I got this mirror and I also got something here. It says New Look, which is the new perfume from Dior, and I think you can spray it with the perfume so it smells, and you can have it on display or in your drawer or something like that. And I also got a little mini of the new Dior fragrance. This is New Look and I think it is very good, but I don't think it is for me. I think it is a little bit more on the male side. So therefore I think it will be something for my boyfriend and not for me, but that's okay. I have a lot of fragrances, some samples of the new Dior lipstick shades, and I also got a mini lipstick. This is the new design with the ganache here, and I think it is a very beautiful shade for me. And I also got this toiletry case, and I also did buy this one. This is the hyaluronic acid shot. This is from the Capsule Total series, but it is brand new, and I have tried it I think 4 times now, and it is very good. You apply it where you have fine lines between serum and cream like this, and you just squeeze out and just dab it into your skin where you have fine lines. And I think actually I really like this one. I think it is very good so far, but I will update you on it later how I feel about it. And over to some other things that we bought from Dior. So here is the new box. It is much better than the previous ones. It is a lot more thicker and it feels sturdier. I have already opened it, of course, but we also got a dust bag, just the normal dust bag, and I also got a new vanity case or something like that with mirror. But the big thing that we bought is the new fragrance. We bought it for my boyfriend because he really liked it and he has tried it many times, and I think it is a very good fragrance for him. So this is the new Dior Privé scent, and name is New Look, and as you can see it is totally transparent, no color or anything. It is very cool, and that was the Dior haul. And over to the things that I got from the PR agency. I know you guys are very curious to see what I get and everything, so this will also be a PR haul kind of thing, but I didn't pick up that much. So the first thing that I got is this Brazilian Crush from Sol de Janeiro. This is with pistachio and salted caramel. This is a body mist that I have tried before, so therefore I thought that I could try it again. It is a very summery scent, I would say. And I also got 2 body creams. I got this Bom Dia Bright Cream, which smells like another one that I have from before. And I also got this Beija Flor Elastic Cream. This one smells a lot like Baccarat Rouge, so if you like it, and the scent isn't that sweet, I think it is a very beautiful scent, not too sweet and not too heavy. So I really recommend this one if you like Baccarat Rouge. And the last thing that I got is something that I really need now because it is so cold here and it is snowstorm. The train and the buses are delayed because of the snow, and it is a major crisis here because of the cold. But this is something that I really need now because it is very, very cold. I really like the design and I think it is very practical when I'm going out and just going to the store and I don't want to put on a hat or my beanie. So yeah, and it is beige. Tomorrow I'm going to 2 PR agencies before I'm going to a lunch with 2 friends of mine, which is going to be very fun because there is quite some time since I last met them. So, and for the rest of the day now, I think I'm going to edit a video which is going to go live today and probably rest a little bit because I feel that I'm starting to get sick again and I don't want to get sick. So therefore I'm just going to relax and take care of myself and take vitamins and everything, so I hopefully won't get sick. I will talk to you guys very soon.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it?
So now I have just done a PR haul, and today it is Sunday and it is a lot of PR stuff. I have gotten hair care, skincare, makeup, pretty much everything. And I have also watched some dogs this weekend, so therefore I have been not checking in with you guys because I really wanted to enjoy the time with them, because I really like dogs. And one of them is a puppy. He is so cute and I cannot work when he is here because he's just the cutest little boy. But I will show him to you guys, and I will show you also a little bit what I got in this PR haul.
It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue?
Today I'm going to do something very insane. So yeah, let's go.
Not blue. Blue too. That blue. Sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song.
And we have just been out and done something very, very insane. And I cannot say what it is quite yet, but I'm going to tell you guys very soon what it is. My birthday is coming up in a week, but for now I think I'm only going to say that. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. I know it is a very random vlog, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. And if you have any video ideas, please let me know in the comments and I will try to make it happen. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.